devices are in a flight-safe mode or otherwise completely switched off. Your carry-on baggage and larger electronic devices should now be placed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Check that your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed away, your armrest is lowered, and your window shade is open. The seatbelt sign above you will be illuminated whenever you must have your seatbelt fastened. To fasten your seatbelt, clip the buckle and clasp, and pull on the loose strap to tighten. Undo the seatbelt by lifting the buckle flap. The seatbelt is most effective when worn low, tight, and throughout the entire flight. Make sure you're familiar with the brace position best suited to your seat. The onboard safety instruction card in your seat pocket shows pictures of your brace position, along with other important safety information. The A320 has 8 emergency exits, which we'll now show you. 2 at the front, 4 over the wing, and 2 at the back of the cabin. Lights will illuminate, showing you the path to follow to these exits. If we need to leave the aircraft quickly, taking your personal items with you will slow you down, so please leave everything behind. If a mask like this appears from above you, pull it down firmly to start a supply of oxygen. Quickly put it over your mouth and nose, and breathe normally. Keep the mask in place by fitting and tightening the strap, and then help others around you. There is a life jacket located in a pouch under your seat. If it's required, remove the life jacket from the pouch, place it over your head, pass the strap around your back, clip it at the front, and then pull on the loose strap to tighten. Only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tags. You can top up your life jacket by blowing into these mouthpieces. The life jacket also has a whistle and a light to attract attention.
From above, please remove your face mask before applying the oxygen mask. Thank you. We'll be doing the main cabin lights for departure. If you wish to continue reading, and find a reading light and a bell above your head.
Is that on airplane mode? Shot. Oh, shot. Shot. Oh, that deserves a seminar out of the tree. There's 2 words for the golf course you don't well out. Yeah. I heard tubers get that every half. No, he wasn't getting out. Oh, God, you're running your you're still in there. Can you get out? You're still in there. That's 3 words. That's about 4. Oh, still in. Pick that up. Pick that up, Jared. That was fun. It was not scoring. Very much so. Not scoring. Pick that up, Jared. You get 2 shots, do you? Oh, you're on 36, are you? What's the on, G? Hey? What did you not get for? 36.
Are you joking?
Oh, you're on a 36 and you still can't get out.
Nah, I think the last round I got like 36.
Jetstar flights within New Zealand, cabin crew and customers must wear a face mask covering their nose and mouth. Fly-well packs are made available to you as you board the aircraft, which contain a face mask, 2 sanitising wipes, and additional masks and wipes are available on request. Please be particularly mindful that only 2 customers are allowed near the lavatories and galleys at one time. Where possible, please only. If you wish to purchase anything from our selection today, simply press the call bell located